Hello guys, welcome to another eToro walkthrough. Today we're going to make a trade and open a trade. So before that, we're gonna discuss how and what we need to look for. And this is just in my opinion on just how I place my trades. This is not financial advice, but let's take a look how would I want to enter the market and what I need to look for in terms of prices and what are the indicators that would help me to make that decision. So let's get into it. Okay, so we can use this one, I think, as S&P 500. Let's go to stats right quickly. Now, according to eToro, the previous close was 4192.38. That was from yesterday. That was the previous day close. All right, so the day range from yesterday is 4190.93 between 4205.63. Now, what does that tell you? That means that those price ranges between those two numbers. All right, so that was yesterday. Let's go to our chart. So let's go to our chart. All right, this is our chart. Okay, now you can see on the bottom, you will see February, March, April, May. So it's giving us the months now. And as you can see, whenever we place or open a trade in the market, we want to make sure that we place it as convenient and according to our preference and how we see the market progressing. So in terms of the S&P 500, the index, we need to see some numbers. We need to see some range so we can decide for ourselves what is the range that I want to go in to the market. So what we want to do here when we invest passively is that we check the price ranges and we check the charts, of course, and then we set an order in the market so it automatically runs when the market opens, of course, and that we don't have to constantly check. So okay, so let's go to the chart. So what do we look for when we go to our chart? Let me just try to maximize this one. Just click that one on the upper right. Okay, so we can see here, we can see the charts. Let me click the chart. Okay, so you can actually choose which 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes up till a 1 week chart you want. Okay, so it depends on how carefully you want to see the minute details. So if you put the 1 minute, then it gives you the 1 minute. All right, that's it. So let's go to the 1 day for now. Okay, let's just focus on the 1 day chart. Now I'm gonna choose the candlesticks. All right, sorry, the candlesticks, sorry. And okay, so here I don't want to overwhelm you guys watching. For now, let's go to a moving average. So moving average is the most common indicator that we use to check whether we want to go in and where do we want to put a stop loss or take profit. So yeah, let's go to moving average. Let's pick the 50. The 50 is the most common moving average, fairly used by most traders. So let's go on and do the 50 simple moving average. Okay, so what this does, all right, so now we see a red line just below our charts, and what you can see is the moving average is just an addition and an average of the 50 days. This is based on the closing price per day. It tries to indicate what trend the market is. So in this case, it is an uptrend. So we see an uptrend in the market, S&P 500. So what am I looking for if I want to trade and open my trade on the S&P 500? All right, let's try to get a bird's eye view here. I'm just gonna scroll back. As you can see, in a 50 moving average, whenever you plot moving average, it can either be used as a level of support during market uptrends and a level of resistance during market downtrends. All right, I won't explain as much as detail with that. I'll leave a link on the description below so you guys can check it out, and you can read the stuff on your your spare time. But essentially what it's doing is it's giving you an indicator of where do I want to place my trade and what's the minimum area where I can open my trade based on the price action. Let me just plot lines. Right, so I'm just gonna plot a line. Right, so assuming this is our level of support, right, actually you can do this in trading view, but I'm just gonna do it in here. We don't have to cycle through a different app. So right, so I'm just trying to target the ones that are hit. Okay, so that's my support. Let's draw another one. Line. Okay. Right. Let's put our level of resistance. Alright. Oh, sorry. Go back to the chart. Where is my line? Alright. There you go. So this is my level of resistance. Okay, so what I did just now was I just plot the levels where I think this is the level of support right here and the level of resistance right here. So now what do I do in the middle? So if we look here, let me just close it now. Stats. All right, so it says the day range is 4190 between 4205. All right. Now, if we go over here and we assume that this is going to be the level of support, and if it goes this way, then I would assume I would place it somewhere in here, right? Just a level above, right? Just a level above here, around 4124, 4123. Okay, it depends. However you want it. This is just the price action of the S&P 500. So whenever you want to enter the market, so you just have to place that trade, click trade. Okay. Now what happens is you click trade again, you go to order, right? So you put the rate. So what did we say is 4124, right? Then you put the amount, let's say you put $1,000. There you go. Okay. Okay. It's X20. Nope. Let's put X1. All right. So you get exposure of $1,000. No, there's no leverage. Okay. So when you set this order, once you click that set order, it will automatically place your trades in the market. So when this price above on the upper left side goes to 4124, then your trades will go to the market and it will open. All right, so that's it for me. I hope this has been helpful. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.